Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Real GPL once again, and today we are going to talk about if you have bought Xstore theme, which is a best theme for WooCommerce website, then how to install that theme and how will you import the demo. So let's talk about that. First of all, you need to buy, which I think you already have done. That's why you're watching this video. If you have not bought, then buy it and then you can download it from the download section. Okay, or the second thing, like if you have bought any membership plan, then in that case you can buy this theme from here, you know following this button only. So just click on it and it will download it. Once downloaded, go to that folder where we have kept it, and then you need to unzip it. You need to extract the downloaded package, which we have already done here. So I am going inside the folder, and right now if I show you, there are some important things here, that is plugins. So there's a lot of plugins which are inbuilt and we already have here. Then the second thing that we have is the theme folder. In that you can see we have parent theme, we have child theme, and there is an important plugin to function this theme, and that is Xstore core, that is also included here, which you need to install manually. Now if I see the theme size, it's 62 megabytes almost. So in that case, directly uploading it to the WordPress and then installing it may take some time. So the best way is to directly upload it to the file manager. So right now you can see we already have installed WordPress on our test website. This is now empty site. I can show you just default WordPress here. Okay, and secondly, I already have logged into my default WordPress. And third thing that we have open is our file manager, that is in cPanel. You may have HPanel, you may have other hosting, so accordingly open it and then go to WP contents, and then you have to go to themes folder. Here you need to upload the downloaded themes. So just click on upload, then choose the file. First of all, I am going to select the parent theme. Okay, and I'm clicking on open. It will upload the theme. You can also install the child theme, you can also upload it. But in Xstore, what is happening, Xstore gives an option to create and install child theme while you import demo. So we will be following that only. We will not be installing child theme separately here. Once it uploads, we will see the other process like installing required plugins and then installing the demo. So while it is getting uploaded, what I'm going to do, I'm going to the WordPress, I'm going to plugins and clicking on add new. I will be installing Xstore core plugin. So click on upload, choose file, then select the core folder, select the core plugin and click on open, and then click on install now. Okay, I think it already have uploaded. Yes, so just go to the folder, click on reload while it is getting installed, and here you can just extract it. So right click and then click on extract, or just unzip it. Okay, it will create a Xstore folder for you here. So let me see, reload. Yeah, we have Xstore folder here. So now just activate this plugin. Once activated, I am doing things simultaneously. Okay, you can do it one by one also. Let me delete these plugins which by default installs once you install a WordPress. So all deleted. Right now we only have one plugin, that is Xstore core. And now I'm going to theme section, and we already have uploaded and extracted the Xstore theme in our file manager. So what we have to do, we just have to click on activate it. Simple way. So upload there, extract there, activate here. This is how it works. And now you can see the theme is pre-activated. You don't have to insert any activation key, or you don't have to connect it anywhere. So just go to import demo section. Okay, you can also install plugins by going to plugin installer. Now let's say I have to import this one, niche market 2 second, this demo. So I will click on import. You can import anyone. We have a lot of demo that can be imported as per your choice. So right now I'm going to use the second one as per my choice. Let me click on import. Okay, so once you click on import, so see the pop-up here. It says install niche market 02 or O2 version. Okay, so I'm clicking on next. It is asking for setup Xstore child theme, which I already have talked earlier. So just click on create a new child theme, which is very important for GPL. Now it's done. Click on next again. Now it is asking for preferred page builder. If you are okay with WP Bakery, you can go for that, which is also called Visual Composer. The second one is Elementor, which is most famous. So I'm going to use the Elementor here, and I will click on next. Now there are some plugins which are required for this demo to work, and those are like Elementor, WooCommerce, Contact Form 7, and then WC Marketplace, and then MailChimp. So it just click on install. Okay, and by default it will install it one by one. You can also install it manually. We have provided those plugins in the plugin folder, which I already have discussed. Let me show you once again. Go to plugins and see, we already have JS Composer, which is WP Bakery. We have WooZone, we have WooCommerce and all. We have Evolution Slider, QForm and all. Okay, so every plugin that is required, not the free plugin. For example, WooCommerce or MailChimp, they are free plugins. They can be downloaded from WordPress repository by itself, you know. So now let's come here. You can see WooCommerce is already activated. Elementor page builder is already activated. So we'll wait for some time until these plugins are getting installed. And by the time it is getting installed, I would like to say, if you have not joined our membership plan, you must join, because by joining our membership plan you can save a tons of money. And we are providing a lot of features with our membership plan, whether it is a starter, super saver, VIP plus, platinum or lifetime. Okay, like number of downloads, renewal is less, and as per the membership you will get updates. And the most important thing is you will be having access to all our themes and plugins in just a simple cost, just a low cost. Okay, just a budget cost, I would like to say. Now come here. I think it is installed. Yeah. So next, the last thing that we have is configuration installer, full demo site content. Yes, then we are going to just click on install. Okay, and just wait for the demo to be imported. Once the demo is imported, I will show you the preview site, and you can see the complete demonstration of this imported demo. So it may take some time depending on the demo you are importing, like up to 5 to 10 minutes. So while it is getting imported, let me show you something that is very important, and that is, if you are using such themes like Woodmart or Xstore, in that case go to your PHP section and check that you are having the correct PHP configuration. Right now you must use PHP version more than 7.4 or 7.3, and then in PHP INI you can see like the memory allocation what you have. Okay, so as per our setting, you can also do your setting, or you can ask your hosting provider to do the same. So let me go to test site. Okay, which is real GPL, and then you can see like max execution time 300, max input time 600, max input variables is 5000, memory limit is 256, and then upload limit. Okay, upload max size is 64 megabytes. You can keep it like more than this also, and then post max size is 164. You can also keep it more than 164, which as per your hosting. Okay, but you make sure that these are the configuration in your php.ini. So now I think the demo should be imported. Yes, it is done. So I'm going to click on preview website. Okay, and you will see a good looking site. Yeah, you can see it here. So everything is imported as per the demo, and now it's your turn to customize it. We generally don't provide any help with the customization, but if you need, you can ask, but we may charge you something for that. Okay, so now it's your turn to go to the Xstore section, which is this one, Xstore panel, and here you can see a lot of options. Accordingly, just play with it and you will learn a lot of things. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I'm hoping that you might be joining a membership plan very soon, or you might have planned, or you might have already joined it. So we'll see you in the next tutorial. Till then, enjoy. Bye bye. Have a good day.